In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose color schemes in Adobe Illustrator using a built-in tool that many beginners completely overlook. If you've ever struggled to pick colors that actually look good together, Illustrator can generate professional color combinations for you automatically in just a few clicks. This is extremely useful for logos, illustrations, social media graphics, branding projects, and pretty much any design where color harmony matters. Instead of guessing which colors work together, Illustrator can instantly suggest balanced palettes based on color theory. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate matching color schemes using the Color Guide panel in Illustrator. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is select any object in your artwork. This can be a shape, a piece of text, an icon, or really anything that already has a color applied to it. The reason we select an object first is because Illustrator will use that color as the base color for generating the color scheme. For example, if your object is blue, Illustrator will build color combinations that harmonize with that blue tone. So go ahead and click on any object in your design so it becomes selected. Next, go to the top menu and click on Window. Inside the Window menu, scroll down until you find Color Guide and click on it. As soon as you do that, the Color Guide panel will appear on your screen. This panel is specifically designed to help you create color harmonies quickly without needing deep knowledge of color theory. Many designers rely on this panel when exploring new palettes because it instantly shows multiple variations that match your base color. Now that the Color Guide panel is open, Illustrator will automatically detect the color of the object you selected earlier. This color becomes your base color. If you want to change the base color, simply select a different object or manually adjust the fill color in the toolbar. The Color Guide will update in real time and generate new combinations based on whatever base color is currently active. This makes experimenting with different palettes incredibly fast. The next step is choosing a harmony rule. Inside the Color Guide panel, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists several harmony options. These are based on classic color theory rules used by designers. For example, complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel and create strong contrast. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the color wheel and create a smooth, cohesive look. Triad uses 3 evenly spaced colors and is great for vibrant designs. There are also options like split complementary, tetrad, and more. Try clicking through a few of these harmony rules and watch how Illustrator instantly generates new color combinations. Below the harmony rule, Illustrator will display multiple rows of suggested colors. These are variations based on tints, shades, and tones of the palette. You can simply click any of these colors to apply them to your selected object. This makes it really easy to test different color directions in your design without manually adjusting sliders or searching for hex codes. Designers often use this feature during the early stages of a project to quickly explore visual styles. Another useful tip is that you can add colors from the Color Guide directly to your swatches panel. If you find a palette you like, you can save it and reuse it throughout your project. This helps keep your design consistent and organized, especially when working on larger branding or illustration projects. And that's all there is to it. By selecting an object, opening the Color Guide panel, choosing a base color, and selecting a harmony rule, Illustrator will automatically generate matching color schemes that look balanced and professional. It's one of the fastest ways to improve the color quality of your designs. If this video helped you learn how to choose color schemes in Illustrator, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.